The title of the experiment: magnetic field along axis of the coil. Aim of the experiment: to determine the magnetic field intensity along the axis of the circular coil carrying current and earth horizontal magnetic field by deflection methods. Apparatus: deflection magnetometer, this is, which is mounted on a scale so that we can slide either of the side, either this side or this side. Then spirit level, this is a spirit level. Commutator, this is a commutator, and this is a variable battery, and some of the connecting wire is required. So these are the setup for the perform the experiment. To perform this experiment, we need to connect these apparatus. First, the variable power supply battery has to connect commutator, and through the commutator we have to connect to this number of turns of the copper wire. To select the number of turns of wire, we had here option. We can select a minimum on this experiment 5 number of turns of copper wire, 50, 100. For this experiment, we are going to select only 5 number of turns of wire. Okay, those number of turns of wire is wounded over this aluminium plate that we can see here like this. Apart from this, to perform this experiment, we have to make adjustment of this deflection galvanometer first. The red dot which is showing in this deflection magnetometer, which is along the magnetic meridian, and the tip of the other two tips of this aluminum needle has to be indicates this side 0 and this side 0, so that it's get adjusted to the magnetic meridian like this. We can adjust this needle. So these are the prerequisite setup of the experiment to perform the experiment. To take the reading of this magnetic field along the axis of the circular coil, we have to adjust current for one fixed readings. That is, in this experiment I am going to fix this input current as 1.8. When we connect these two leads, that is one positive and one negative, to the commutator, it is connected here to this lead, and these two leads goes to this coil. This commutator, when I touch to these two leads, it will shows a reading of something, so that it is adjusted to the 1.8 ampere. After couple of seconds, it is get adjusted. So this 1.8 ampere of current we have to be fixed whole completion of an experiment. Now after this fixing it, here again when you release this commutator, again it will shows a 0 ampere. When I make a contact, then again it will shows what we are assigned or what we are fixed the current, that is 1.8. For a moment. Okay. So, to take this experiment reading, we have to fix the input current by taking through this commutator. When I make a contact of these two sides, now here the current will indicate 1.8 around. So after this making a contact with a commutator, here the deflection will show certain readings. Now this magnetodeflectometer has been adjusted at a 0 centimeter distance from this coil. Now the deflection is showing one side we have to consider as a θ1, another side of the tip needle reading which is showing that we have to consider as a θ2. Then after this, again we have to reverse the current. So when I reverse this current, the deflection also will get reversed. So after get deflection, reversing the current, here again the needle will show some reading. Now in this case, when a magnetometer at 0 degree, at 0 centimeter distance from this coil, it is showing around 65 degree at this side and 65 degree at this side. Now this reading we have to be consider it as a theta 3 and theta 4. After this, we have to be release this commutator. After releasing this, now we have to be take this magnetometer certain distance away from this coil. In this case, I am taking this magnetometer 5 centimeter away from the coil. So how to I can adjust? Through this scale reading. Here it is mentioned 5 centimeter, so that I can align this magnetometer at a distance of 5 centimeter. How do I can align? With this magnet which is pivoted on a sharp needle. So this magnet will align with this distance of 5 centimeter. Now after adjusting this one, again we have to repeat the experiment. How? With the help of commutator. Now this commutator, when I make a contact, again in this variable power supply, it will show 1.8, maximum 1.8, it will come, 1.8. Now after this, again the magnetic which was earlier at 0 degree both the side, now it is get deflected. Now it is showing the reading of deflecting magnetometer kept away a 5 centimeter distance from this coil. When I make a contact, when I rotate this commutator in one direction, now which was earlier showing the deflection of 0, now it is showing this is some deflection. Now this is showing the reading is 50 degree this side and 53 around degree at this side. So this is, we have to be again consider theta 1 and theta 2. Similarly, when I reverse this current with the help of the commutator, again the deflection is showing here, but it is in a reverse direction. Here again the deflection, one side it is showing the 50 and this side it is showing the 52. So this reading we have to be considered theta 3 and this is we have to be considered as a theta 4. When I release this commutator, again the magnetic needle come into the rest at around 0 deflection here. The same thing we have to be do in another direction, means its opposite direction. How we can be do? By taking out this magnetodeflection meter in a opposite direction towards this. Again the same distance I chosen from this coil at 5 centimeter from this center of the coil. Now this is I arranged. After making this 5 centimeter at here, again this needle has to be show a 0 deflection both the side. Now when again the current is passed through this commutator, now the deflection, it is get deflected. After get deflected, again it will be shows this needle some reading. In this case it is showing this side 52 and this side it is showing 55. So one reading we have to be considered as a theta 1, another reading we have to be considered as a theta 2. Similarly, when I reverse this current with the help of commutator, again the magnetic needle get deflected but in a reverse direction. Now again this showing us some reading. This reading we have to consider as a theta 3 and this side reading we have to consider as a theta 4. By doing this with a different distance away from the coil, we can perform this experiment. After taking these readings, we will be obtained a different reading at a different distance from the center of the coil. So first reading we took at 0 centimeter, next one is 5 centimeter away from the coil, both the side, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So we are obtained these readings, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4, and same things for the rest of the distance, and we have to be calculate the average theta value, then we have to be find out the B, and from this B value we can easily find out the BH. The formula for find out the BH is B upon tan theta, which is in a Tesla. So for this experiment we are obtained the BH value of 4.062 into 10 to the power of 5 Tesla.